Okay, so 101. Obviously, the video is with it. Nothing ever actually works the way they that when you buy it. It says it does. Powerful move stain, ovens, all kind of stuff. So today we were working on this, and obviously the door came out very well. I worked on it, but I had to use more of an SOS pad because there were certain areas that, you know, like anything else, you spray it on. And obviously their idea was that if I go over here with a mop, I should be able to just wipe it off. And as you can see, all this other stuff, this coloration did not come off. But yeah, if I use the SOS pad, a little bit of abrasive, use a little bit of arm length, and then it did come off. Obviously I'm still going to have to wipe it. I still agree it's a great cleaner. I haven't done the bathroom yet, but the idea behind it is I wanted to, my expectation would have been better for the stove, but you know what? I can't disagree that it doesn't have an odor. It doesn't smell bad. Oven cleaners have a very powerful odor. Sometimes they give off fumes, and so that's a thumbs up for me, saying yeah, I think I agree with what they say. That's it.